Welcome to Birds of Central Florida. In this chapter, we focus on the Great Blue Heron. Along the edge of a quiet marsh, a tall gray-blue shape stands perfectly still. This is the Great Blue Heron, the largest heron in North America. Adults reach 3 to 4 feet in height, with wings stretching more than 6 feet. Their soft blue-gray plumage pairs with a white face and long black head plumes. In flight, the neck folds into an S-curve, while long legs trail behind. Great blue herons are found across most of North America year-round. They thrive wherever water meets open space: marshes, swamps, riverbanks, coastlines, and even meadows. Webbing between their front toes helps them balance on soft mud, allowing them to hunt where other birds cannot. Despite their height, they weigh only 5 to 6 pounds due to hollow bones. Known for their patience, they may stand motionless for long stretches before striking with incredible speed. Their dagger-shaped bill captures fish, frogs, small turtles, snakes, insects, and small mammals. With excellent night vision, they can hunt after dark as easily as during the day. Most great blue herons live around 15 years, though some survive into their mid-20s. They are protected under the Migratory Bird Treaty Act and remain a species of least concern, thanks to their wide range and stable population. One unusual feature sets them apart: specialized chest feathers that fray into a soft powder. Using a fringed claw on the middle toe, they comb this across their plumage to remove oils and slime, keeping their feathers clean and waterproof. Across ponds, shorelines, and salt marshes, these birds can blend into the landscape, until suddenly they don't. Once you recognize their slow wing beats and tall, statuesque posture, you begin to notice them everywhere. Calm and deliberate, the Great Blue Heron is one of the most enduring sights in North American wetlands. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for new episodes of Birds of Central Florida as we continue exploring the wildlife that calls this region home.